Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Madam Azila. My name is Norzeti Edimiti Amdan. I am doing individual assignment statistic.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Madam Azila. My name is Norzeti Edilita Amdan and I would like to present about the statistic one with ANOVA. Okay, for the first thing, for the name, I'll key in question 1, question 2, question 3 until I have 20 questions. Okay, for the this type with and decimal must 0 place and the label based on the for the label I choose the question which is age, faculty, block until the self-study. For the values I key in okay, for the number 1 18 until 20 years old, 2 from 21 years old until 22 years old, 3 22 until 25 years old. Okay. For the level of education, 1 is for diploma, 2 is for postgraduate, 3 for undergraduate. Okay. For this temperature, first I choose strongly disagree, 2 disagree, 3 neutral, 4 agree, and strongly agree for 5. It's for measure. For age, I use scale because scale want to measure the age. Okay, for the others, I choose nominal because we can measure the self study, self room, the temperature, and others. So for the this is my Google form, which is I have 81 responses. Okay, for the this is for age, faculty, block, level of education, year, total time study room usage in a week. I am using study room for more to group discussion because they use study room for group discussion. So for the study room is most crowded when the study week because to uh, they want study for the final exam. So the study week, the study room is most crowded. Okay, so next for the they prefer study room or not? Majority, yes. Okay. The number of study room being provided each block are enough? Yes. Most of the respondents choose 3, which is agree. Okay, for the well-functioned equipment in the study room, 25 of them choose agree. Okay, so next question is enough quantity of table and chair to cater the number of students, and majority use agree, 23 of them. Okay, so the cleanliness of the room, they agree the cleanliness of the Mawa College. So for the proper lighting, the Mawa College have a good proper lighting. Okay, so that's for the temperature in the study room. There is quite same between the 3 and the 4 scale, which is the 3 is 31.1 and the 4 is 34.4. So the temperature of the college they choose number 4, which is agree. Okay, so the study room is your group assignment. Mostly say agree, which is 42.6 from 100%. So the self-study in the study room makes you focus more, which is agree, which is 41% above 100%. So for the statistic, firstly after I have marked the question 1, question 2 until question 20, then I click transform complete variable. So the mean we can repeat this question. So I replace with the question 1, question 2 until question 20. So click the stack equal, then click double click for mean, and target variable I rename is for my factors is student perception. So I click OK. Okay, so next for the analyze data, firstly you choose descriptive statistic and then explore. So for the dependent list, I choose my factors which is perception, and the factor list which is faculty, because I want to measure 3 faculty which is FSR, FSTM and FSPU. Okay, so click plots. Okay, so click this and histogram. So the normality plots with test. So continue the option. Please continue. So both. So click OK. Okay, so okay. Next, transform. No, next is analyze. Then choose compare mean. Compare mean. Choose one with ANOVA, which is the dependent. I choose the perception for my factors, and the faculty for my compare. So first, you click the conformity and significant level for my statistic is 0.05. Then you click continue. Then the option is descriptive and the homogeneity of variant test. Then you click exclude cases analysis by analysis. Then you click okay. So you click OK. So okay, firstly, this is the descriptive between the 3 faculty, which is FSR, FSKM, and FSPU. Okay, so this is my test of normality, which is for the FSR, which is 0.55, which is normal. This is for FSKM 0.524, which is normal. And for FSPU, which is 0.36, which is not normal. But for descriptive, FSPU, we see at the skewness. For the plus minus, which is 1.614 and the 0.616, so the data is normal. Okay, this is the histogram. This is the plot of the perception. Okay, so the perception more on FSKM, which is using the Mawar college. Okay. So this is descriptive of one way. Which is 3.70, 3.65, 3.85, 3.85, which is normal. So, okay, this is the perception on ANOVA. For the F factors, which is 0.72 more than 0.05, so this is normal. And the significance is 0.568, which is also normal. So it is failed to reject the null hypothesis. Okay. So I will show about, this is my question, which is section A for demographic. This is the age. This is the faculty. I choose FSR, FSKM, FSU because in the UITM Shah Alam they have the Mawar College for female, for their, they want to study at or do the revision at the Mawar College. The block is I choose 4, which is 1A, 2A, 1B, and 2B. Okay, the level of education, I choose the diploma, postgraduate, and undergraduate. Okay, for the year, I choose year 1, year 2, year 3, and year 4. Okay, total time study room usage in a week, never once, twice, more than twice. I am using study room for self-study, group discussion. Okay, study room is most crowded when start of semester, mid-semester, or study week. Prefer study room, yes or no? So this is the scale for the section B. Number of study room, well function, equipment, enough quantity of table, the cleanliness of study room, proper lighting, temperature in the study room. And the section C is about the study room is suitable or not for you want to study and you want to do the study group and for group discussion. Next is it study room is your group assignment and the self-study makes you focus more? Okay. This is my response. Most responses for the age is 18 and for 18 until 20. Okay, no, sorry, 22 until 25, which is most of them degree student. Okay, for this faculty, most answer is FSR. Okay, for the block 46, which is block 2A, level of education, which is most undergraduate from diploma from degree. So the year mostly okay. Year 2 and year 3, which is the same percentage, and the total time of usage in a week, which is once in a week. Okay, more of usage the college, our college study room, which is from the FSKN. Okay. This is my variable view. Then this is my data view, which is I key in this for the question. I've divided until 20 question. Okay. Okay, this is for sorry. Yes. So firstly, age. Okay, most answer for age. This is respondent one until 52 respondent. The variable view for this decimal, I must click 0. That's all from me. Thank you very much.